In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ticket in ClickUp. Think of a ticket in ClickUp as a task that captures a request, bug, or piece of work you want tracked from start to finish. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along the first time and repeat it with confidence. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the exact place where you want this ticket to live. ClickUp organizes work in a hierarchy, and the project or list you choose determines where your ticket will show up, who sees it, and how it's reported. If your workspace uses multiple lists, take a moment to pick the one that best matches the team or workflow responsible for the work. This makes it much easier to keep things organized and avoids moving tasks later. Once you're in the right project or list, look for the Add Task button. Depending on your view, it might appear at the top within a specific column or as a plus icon. Click it to open a new task window. This is your ticket's starting point and where you'll provide the essential information. Begin by typing a clear, specific title. A strong title is short but descriptive, like Fix Login Error on Mobile or Setup Onboarding Checklist. Avoid vague labels. If your team uses naming conventions, follow them so your ticket is instantly recognizable in search and filters. Remember, the title is what teammates see first in notifications and list views, so make those words count. Next, click on Add Description. Use this space to explain the request or issue in a way that helps someone take action without guessing. Include what needs to happen, any relevant context, and details that reduce back and forth later. If it's a bug, mention what you expected to happen and what actually happened. If it's a request, state the goal and any helpful background. Writing in short, clear sentences and grouping related information improves readability and makes handoff smoother. When your title and description look good, click Create Task. Your ticket is now in the list you selected and ready to be worked on. You can open it anytime to refine the wording, add more context, or answer questions from teammates. The important thing is that you captured the work in the right place with a title that's easy to scan and a description that sets clear expectations. That's all it takes to create a ticket in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough the next time you need to capture a new request quickly and clearly.